Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We'll present about implementation of intensive extensive reading strategy to improve reading comprehension. We are from Group 3. We will be present. The first speaker will present by Melan Retnodeli. For Melan, time is yours.
Definition: reading is an important activity for people. According to Loki, reading is a more complex and multifaceted activity in English as foreign language, or EFL. And according to Leipzig, reading needs more recognition, comprehension, and fluency. And Burns declared that comprehension is affected by all aspects of the reading process, and it is become a strategy for reading activity. And the next is, the problem is why students lack the skills necessary to understand English text. According to Bamford, MD, claim English foreign language reading is difficult process. After being researched, there are some problems in reading class that need to requires. Those are lack of self-confidence in reading English text, lifeless teaching process, insufficient of reading comprehension. And as the result, they were not adequately exposed to English passages unless the teacher provided the text. And next will be explained by Al-Fatmi.
Okay. Regarding the problem to solve, the researcher proposed to intensive extensive reading strategy, or IERS, and then it's adapted from directed reading activity, DRA, which is done through some steps motivating and developing background knowledge, leading to directed reading activities, building to skill building activities, and activating enrichment activities. And intensive and extensive reading activities are able to provide a lot of exposure to improve students' ability and proficiency in reading. The teachers play an important role to build the students' reading comprehension skills. Next slide, please. Intensive reading activities are needed to train the reading skills and also have a reading competence. As Natal said, that one of the best ways to improve the knowledge of a foreign language is read extensive reading, because it is necessary for the students to improve their comprehension of the text. And then intensive reading focuses on understanding of a particular text, and it is used when reading other texts. And extensive reading is the activity of reading a lot of materials for enjoyment, information, and language. And Nation 2009 add that intensive reading activity is used on suitable text and follows useful principles. Okay, that's all from me.
Finding and discussion. It seems that the students are able to comprehend the text when they do all of the activities that's provided by the lectures during the professor, the action cycle. And the next, the procedure of implementing IELTS is adapted from directed reading activity. The steps are, first, motivating and developing the students' background and knowledge, and leading to directed reading activities, leading to skill building activities, providing flow-up activities, and activating enrichment activities. And then last one, it has the involvement of students dealing to involvement in the reading activities during the implementation of intensive, extensive reading strategy or IELTS in the teaching and learning process. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, next conclusion. The activity that most important in learning is reading activity because it has a tightly relation with other skills such as speaking, listening, writing. From this journal research about the implementation of extensive reading strategy to improve the learner's reading comprehension, the researcher involved of extensive and intensive reading to help the students to comprehend the text. The researcher also found several factors why students are lack of the reading comprehension of the text. And the researcher also give the solution in that problems. So from the research, the researcher give the conclusion of explanation from the research. Okay, that's all from our group. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.